You ate all your food?
Yes.
Did the guys eat all their food?
Yes.
What did you make for everyone? Because I know you cooked.
Noodles.
You made noodles?
You eat noodles?
Mm-hmm. What about your friend?
Hmm?
They each have their bowl and their spoon, right?
You eat out food.
Yeah.
You eat out. Green food? You like green food? You like... You own this? You own this? Mommy?
What do you want, Leo?
Green food.
Another spoon?
Yes.
Okay, you want a different color?
Yes.
Want this one?
Yes. Mom, eat. Mom, eat.
Okay, you go back and eat. You want to serve everybody again?
Yes.
What did you just pick up?
No.
Noodles?
Yes. Dad eat
So everybody knows that Leo sat his friends down at the table, and he got them bowls, and then he got them spoons. And he got himself a bowl and spoon.
Eat. 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 Out.
Ooh, are those good noodles?
Yes.
What else is in the bowl?
Beans.
Noodles and beans?
Yes.
Yeah. Yummy. Anything else?
Yes.
Who made the food?
You.
Yeah, Leo cooked it, right? Did you go shopping for it? Mmm. Did the guys finish eating, or are their bowls full still? Are the guys all done eating?
Yes.
Do they want more?
Yes.
Do you want to give them more?
Yes.
Okay, you want to give the guys more?
Yes.
Okay, fill their bowls up.
Right here.
All right, you got more? Oh, you got more? Okay, put it back. Oh, you put it in their bowls?
Yes.
Okay.
You eat this. You eat right here. You eat right here.
Okay, put it in the bowl.
Hat.
Okay.
Hat. 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 Your top. Your top. Your top. Your top. Eat.
Did you just pull his hair out?
Yes.
Why'd you do that? You're going to eat his hair?
Yes.
Okay. Bye-bye, movie.